Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will unbox this Casio Duro MDV106 die watch and share our first impressions about this. So let's check it out. This is my first die watch. I got this from amazon.com. I'll share the product link in the description. So this is the box. We can see the model number here and also some warning about the battery mostly. So please read this. So time to unbox this now. Pretty simple box. Warning. Please read all this. Very important. And we have the watch itself. We don't have anything else. We will keep this aside. So this is the watch. I think we have a document here, mostly user manual. Yeah, so we can read this. So finally, this is the watch, black color model. We also have other colors like blue, green, etc. This is stainless steel case. We can see the Casio logo here, reliable Japanese brand, water resistance, 200 meter, a date window, and of course the iconic Marlin fish logo because this is a die watch. There is also another model. I'm not sure if it is the updated one, but that doesn't have the fish logo. This is a resin band, but we can always change this into any of our favorite bands or straps. We have a big Marlin fish logo at the back side. This is my first impressions video. I'll make a full video after using it for some weeks. Please do subscribe to get notified about this. I'll wear this watch quickly now. And this is how it looks on my wrist. And finally, the die bezel. We can hear the soft firm click sound now. I love this sound. Divers use this bezel to quickly track how much time has passed without needing a stopwatch or timer underwater. But of course, we can use it for other reasons too. And we also have anti-reverse bezel, like it will just function one way and not the other way around. This is actually safer. It prevents accidental movement that could show less remaining dive time. This will make diving safer. I just now used my flashlight to charge this loom. I'll switch off the light and show you how it looks. Just a second. So as you can see, this is how it will look. We can see all the areas. Pretty cool. So this is our unboxing and first impressions about the Casio Duro MDV106 die watch. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.